Get ready for action!
Please don't rape me.
Don't worry, I'll save you. Tonight I'm gonna save some bitches.
Okay.
Okay. Got a call about a rape tonight. Checking it out. No rapists are tearing up my turf. But smoking's good. Don't rape.
It's bad.
It's bad. More or less. That's him. We're on the move. I got him. That's him. Stop right there. Stop. Don't move. We heard about a rape. Get the fuck out of here. Don't come near me. I got the rapey right here. Fucking raping. What were you doing in there, man?
I didn't touch anyone, man, I swear. That guy's the rapist. That guy did it.
Caught the rapist.
I told you it wasn't me, man. It was that guy. He raped
The pussy.
I never.
Rape the pussy. 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 Pussy.
No, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I'm supposed to be catching you. Come here. You're the pedophile. Yeah, go. So, I knew they weren't wanting to get raped, so they're good.
So long. Well, if you told me you were drowning, I would not lend a hand. I've seen your face before, my friend, but I don't know if you know who I am. Well, I was there and I saw what you did. I saw it with my own two eyes, so you couldn't wipe off that grin. I know where you've been. It's all been a pack of lies, and I can feel it coming in the air tonight.
They're good.
Today, look at her bra strap. You can just tell she's rip roaring rip. Girl, she's a wild one. We call them cougars. Oh, look at the mountains on that one. They're deep and delicious. Yeah.